India, under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, has become an emerging land of opportunities, the third largest consumer of crude oil and petroleum products in the world. Committed to the target of renewable footprint and decarbonization by 2030 as resolved by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi at COP26.
आज भारत इंस्टॉल्ड रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी कैपेसिटी में विश्व में चौथे नंबर पर है। बीते 7 वर्षों में भारत की नॉन फोसिल फ्यूल एनर्जी में 25% से ज्यादा की वृद्धि हुई है और अब ये हमारे एनर्जी मिक्स का 40% पहुंच गया है।
The Government of India, under the able guidance of the Honorable Prime Minister, is scaling up avenues of utilizing renewable energy for achieving energy independence and has targeted about 450 gigawatt of installed renewable energy capacity by 2030. India is today creating a wave of new possibilities of growth, collaboration and transition. Transitioning into new age biofuels, India is further securing its energy security, and the government is supporting advanced biofuel projects through the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Yojana with cumulative financial assistance of approximately 25,000 crore. Domestically produced ethanol has been identified by the country as a potential opportunity to reduce reliance on oil imports. India is all set to achieve the target of 20% blending by 2025, which was advanced from the original target of 2030. Achieving the 20% ethanol blending target will result in forex savings of more than nearly 54,000 crore per annum. The Government of India is striving to increase farmers' income, and one key contributor to it is ethanol blending, which will increase the farmers' cumulative income by over 49,000 crore per annum. To further this vision, oil marketing companies are setting up 2G, 3G ethanol plants with total investment of 8,000 crore per annum. PM Shri Narendra Modi ji has called for a ban on single-use plastic. Inspired by his clarion call, Indian Oil, one of the energy majors of the country, has ventured into recycling PET bottles and converting it into yarn. More than 10 lakh uniforms of oil marketing companies will be weaved with the polyester made from the recycled yarn. And further, armed forces and other institutions for their non-combat uniforms are also adopting this raw material for their production. This green initiative, unbottled towards a greener future, will result in recycling of 10 crore PET bottles per year.
एक क्षेत्र ऐसा है जो शायद बहुत बड़ा रिवॉल्यूशन ला सकता है। लोग अपने घर में सोलार एनर्जी से चूल्हा चलाएंगे, जिस पर हर प्रकार की रसोई हो सके।
Following the vision of Honorable Prime Minister of providing clean cooking fuel across the nation, Indian Oil is introducing an indoor solar cooking system designed, developed and patented by Indian Oil. A stationary indoor cooking solution capable of catering to the cooking needs of Indian households.